Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make golden fried rice with salted egg yolk, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel, because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day, for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Overnight rice. Artificial crab sticks. Mixed beans. Salted egg. Luncheon meat. Spring onion or chives. Place salted egg into plastic bag and rub outer charcoal layer with plastic. I like this method. You can also just wipe it off with your fingers. With this method, the mud will fall into the plastic bag for easy disposal. And no need to worry about clogging water pipes. Wash with running water. Steam for approximately 10 minutes. After steaming, divide the salted egg yolk and salted egg white into 2 bowls and mash them well and set aside. Remove casing of artificial crab sticks. Cubes artificial crab sticks. Chives cut into sections. Cubes luncheon meat. Blanch mixed beans until softened and set aside. Stir-fry salted egg yolk until foaming. Add rice and stir fry. Add chives. Add luncheon meat cubes. Add artificial crab sticks cubes and mixed beans. One teaspoon pepper powder. I personally think don't need to add salt or light soy sauce as it's enough taste. Plate fried rice. Delicious salted egg yolk fried rice is done. Every bite of fried rice has the aroma of salted egg yolk, which is savory and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. A salted duck egg is an East Asian preserved food product made by soaking duck eggs in brine or packing each egg in damp, salted charcoal. Overall, salted egg yolk can be a part of a healthy diet, but it is important to consume it in moderation. If you are concerned about your cholesterol levels, you may want to limit your intake of salted egg yolk. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.